Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how do we run the Spark for program. Okay, first let us see the C version. So it is 3.5.8. So before that you have to start the Spark shell. So it will start like this. Okay, let me quit this, double quote QUIT, quit. So it will go clear the screen. Let me also see PySpark, py spark here. Just type spark here, click on enter. Just write like spark range show. Okay, it is working fine. To validate the Python version, it is 3.9.6 here, which is downloaded. So let me exit this, clear the screen. Now, let us start the shell, Spark shell. Let me write val numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have created a list. I'm creating a variable to see parallelize the numbers. Okay, so parallelized. So we want to do multiple operations, count it. So it is 5. What is the first? It is 1. So click on take 3, click on enter. So it is 1, 2, 3 of an array. So let me create another list called numbers, which has like list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it created the parallelized collection RDD. So let us see numbers.collect. So it collected as an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let us see only the even numbers. How do I do it? Okay. So I'm giving a function when even numbers equal to filter it, click on enter. So it entered. So now just add even numbers dot collect. It will show you all the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let me get the square of each numbers. So 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square and 10 square. Click on enter. So click on enter. See squares dot collect 4, 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 36, 64 and 100. If you want, we can put the squares dot count. It will count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. We can also see what is the max count. It's 100. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.